Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel Soil and Margaritas. My name is Roxana and I am the person behind this channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you have been here before, hey, I'm glad you're here. I am going to be doing an unboxing of my seed swap that I received a couple of days ago in the mail. This is my third year joining this seed swap specifically. I am very happy with how Carolina from JMC Garden Seed Swap does it. I love it. So today you and me are going to be opening this package and I am very, very excited. I can't wait to show you. It's a lot of seeds. I don't even know where to start with all of this. Let me just put them on the other side. Got some corn, glass gem. Oh wow, this one is so cool. The gardening areas send peas, green beans, black eyed peas, peppers, kale, a bunch of tomatoes, pineapple tomato, black cream tomato. I'm gonna open this guy. Oh wow. Oh, I see what she did here. Okay, so she put a list of the seeds that she wanted to send, and then she put, okay, this is smart. And then she just have like, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got six types of things. So I have green zebra tomato. I have acorn squash. I have dwarf or double marigolds. I have Russian kale, Ozark bell pepper, and speckled jay green beans. Oh, that is cool. That is really, really cool. I'll have to think about that next year. I got some parsnip, sweet pepper. I am not even going to attempt to say this. Troxireno bell pepper. Have some Lesia pepper. I've never heard of that. I'm gonna have to Google. And this is the fun thing about getting all of these seeds on a seed swap, you guys, because you don't know what you're going to get. But like these two guys, I'm going to be Googling, how to grow them, what they like, and I get to try new varieties each year. This is dinosaur kale, which I tried this year, and I loved it. More dinosaur kale, buttercup winter squash. And some of these, what I noticed is that some of these, they just have a name of the seed, right? And nothing else on the packet. But some of them can get really intense with instructions. This is Paulina's Secret Cherry Tomato. Not so secret anymore. These are green gloves artichokes. This is a organic winter spinach. Ooh, winter spinach. Does that mean it's hardy? And I have green glove, more artichoke. Okay, this one is from the Crazy Plant Lady. I'm not really sure what this is. This one is Rotenda Bianca Esfumato di Rosa. I don't know if that's a tomato or a squash. I have to Google that. I mean, that's fine. Ooh, black cream tomato. This one is a Champion of England pea. It's cool. This one is celery. Isn't it cool? This one is okra. Maybe it will be my husband's year of growing okra. More corn. Cotton. Okay. This one is Pink Berkeley tie-dye tomato. Oh, fun. Totally gonna grow this for sure. Swiss chard. Perfect. Okay. This one is a Broad Ripple yellow currant tomato. I grew that that was a Hawaiian currant. And it was intense. Oh, okay, so this guy or this person sent one little bag with a couple of packages in there. And I have some cayenne pepper, turnips. I haven't grown turnips yet. And this is a melon. That's cool. This one is a Jackson Wonder Lima bean. I like how they decorate the packages sometimes. Put a lot of time into packaging these seeds. Lima beans, greasy grit green beans. I never heard of them. This is a variety of pepper. I'm not even going to attempt to say that. This is a Lesia pepper. I'm not sure how to say that. Look at the package, isn't that cool? More parsnip. Got lots of parsnip. Romanesco. Okay, this lady, what is this? Can't read that through the packaging. Oh, okay. Look at that. So, and I have something that looks like a seed, right? Like, I'm not really sure. Almost looks like a plum. I'll show you. And I have 2 seeds there. Not really sure what they are just yet. And then she sent a message, Jennifer Sky Real. And I guess this is an avocado seed, but it says 3 seeds. I'm not really sure how that works. So I suppose that this big guy is the avocado tree. Not the avocado tree, the avocado seed. And then the seeds, I'm not sure. I'll have to contact her and ask her what I can do about those. That will be a fun experiment to do here. Ooh, Cherokee purple tomato seeds. Yes, you can never have enough of those. I got more corn. I got some Blue Lake pole beans. Got some okra. Got lots of okra. Okay, Snow White tomato. Never heard of it, but I assume that it's a white tomato. Kentucky Wonder. That one just says Kentucky Wonder. Is that a tomato? I'll have to Google that. More pole beans. Aw. Look at this, this is cool. I love to see how people package their seeds. So this is two types of seeds, I believe. I have a pineapple, tomato, and red pepper seeds. That is cool. Ah, look at that. Oh, you guys. Okay, this is super, super cool. It says squash pipián from Tuxpan. Tuxpan is a place very, very close where I was born in Mexico. And these are pipián seeds. Oh goodness, I'll definitely try to grow this next year. This is super, super cool. I have another little bag. Oh, it's a sticker, the same bag. And this lady sent a couple of seeds. I have a Marich Marzinera tomato. That one sounds interesting. Definitely look into that. And then I have a pea mix. Oh yes, perfect for the spring. Perfect. Cabbage, Napa cabbage seeds. And this one is a tomato. This one is a Abu Rowan tomato. Never heard of it either. So it will be fun searching for these guys. Oh, and I believe these are from Carolina, the organizer. She mentioned that she had some gifts that she was going to send a few people. And I believe, oh goodness, look at that. That's a loofah. I think this might be soap, face soap. This one is charcoal tea tree. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells delish. Isn't that cool, you guys? And she sent a card, and that's her design. I'll show you this. I think it's really cool. Oh, okay. So she just sent me a card that I can use. It's a blank card that I can use. And she did that, you guys. That's her design. This is why I personally like to join the seed swaps in the fall, because it gives me time to search those varieties. Like I have a bunch of tomato varieties here that I never heard of, but I'm definitely going to check. And then I am going to decide what I want to grow next year. Again, this is the 3rd year that I joined the seed swap. I am very, very excited with what I have this year. I'm very, very happy with everything that I have, especially those pipián seeds and all of the tomatoes. I mean, I have a lot here to choose from for next year, and this is fun. This is so fun for me. And I know that I have mentioned before that, you know, joining a seed swap is like a really, really cool thing to do and a smart thing to do. Like, I got a lot of seeds here, you guys. So I am going to leave her information below. She's not paying me, and I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. I just like that, you know, what she's doing, which I think is a lot of work. I know that she has one in the spring and one in the fall, but I'm not really sure what she does, how many she does during those times. So check her information, decide if you want to do it, and if you guys have any experience with any of these seeds here that I have, let me know. There's some that I have grown before, but the tomatoes, some of the tomatoes I have no clue. And if you have any tips or advice for me about growing pipián, let me know in the comments. I would really, really appreciate it. This one is going to be super fun for me next year. Thank you for being here, you guys, and until the next time.